What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. So for today, I'm going to talk about lesson 10. So first subtopic of lesson 10 is planning an ICT project for a social change. Well, let me talk about social change. Social change is broadly defined as the transformation of cultural, economic, political, and social institutions and relationships over time. So there are actually three causes of social change. First is invention. Invention is the combination of existing elements of culture into something new. Inventions produce new objects, ideas, and social patterns. Invention of ideas, objects, and social patterns brings social change. So the second cause of social change is discovery. Discovery occurs when people take note of existing elements of the world. Medical advances, for example, offer a growing understanding of the human body. The third cause of social change is diffusion. Diffusion is the transference of cultural traits from place and or group to another. So, an example of social problem is internet addiction. Internet addiction is characterized by excessive or poorly controlled preoccupations, urges or behaviors regarding computer use of internet access that lead to impairment or distress. So for planning your ICT project, let me first tackle about what is project. So project is a collaborative enterprise involving research or design that is carefully planned to achieve a particular aim. So project objectives are defined targets, status at the end of the project, reaching of which is considered necessary for the achievement of planned benefits. While a project concept is a complete documentation of the proposed project but needs to be implemented yet. The term concept means that it is under planning and processing for implementation. A problem statement is a brief description of the issues that need to be addressed. Examples are, why do people use internet? What causes the excessive use of internet? Well, a project scope defines the overall content of the project and states the boundary of the project. So our second subtopic is conducting a research for the ICT project. So first, let me ask you, what is research? Well, research is searching for and gathering information, usually to answer a particular question or problem. A research participant is a person who participates in human subject research by being the target of observation by researchers. In research, demographics are used when gathering data from research participants. Our third subtopic for today is designing your ICT project. The interface enables a user to interact with the system to perform a task. Example is a website navigation. Website wireframe, also known as a page schematic or screen blueprint, is a visual guide that represents the skeletal framework of a website. It is commonly presented through sketch. It is created for the purpose of arranging elements to best accomplish a particular purpose. Wireframing is an important step in any screen design process. It primarily allows you to refine the information hierarchy of your design, making it easier for you to plan the layout according to how you want your user to process the information. Let's move on to module and program. A module is a part of a program. Programs are composed of one or more independently developed modules that are not combined until the program is linked. Tab browsing. Tab browsing is a relatively new feature found in some web browsers. There are four main parts of a website. First is the header, second is the modules and navigation, third is the content area, and fourth is the footer. For copywriting for the ICT project, copywriting is the process of writing advertising promotional materials. Copy is the content primarily used for the purpose of advertising or marketing. The copywriter is the person who does the copywriting. Note that When copying online article, ensure that you paraphrase whatever information you have copied online so that we could avoid plagiarism. Also, when content has been completely copied, don't forget to acknowledge the source of your information. When copywriting an ICT project, ensure that anything you write must convey a message and must be meaningful. It is simple and easily understood by readers. Do not use jargons. And last, it should be informative.